The butterfly's advice. One day, a small caterpillar was crawling along the path. It was sad and gloomy, worried about its future. I am so tiny and helpless. What will become of me? It thought. Suddenly, a beautiful butterfly flew down and sat beside the caterpillar. The caterpillar looked at the butterfly in awe and said, "How lucky you are to be so beautiful and free. I will never be like you." The butterfly smiled kindly and replied, "Don't lose hope, little one. I was once like you, small, hopeless, and full of doubt. But I don't give up. I patiently waited and trusted the process. And one day I turned into what you see now. You just have to believe in yourself and keep going." Hearing this, the caterpillar felt inspired. It decided to be patient and trust the journey of life. Days passed, and the caterpillar spun itself into the cocoon. It waited patiently inside, just as the butterfly had advised. After some time, the cocoon broke open, and out came a beautiful butterfly. The little caterpillar had transformed into something wonderful, just as the butterfly had promised. Moral of the story: patience and faith in the process of life can help you achieve yourself, even if the journey seems difficult at first time. Trust yourself and great things will happen. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See the next video.